Sheikh, sometimes we feel lazy to pray Salah. Sometimes there are too many questions whispering in our minds like why Allah need us to pray, what's the point of praying Salah, how Salah benefits me in this worldly life. Sheikh, Allah instructed us to pray Salah, so we pray. But apart from this, are there any intelligent, psychological or notable reasons to pray Salah? I mean, how can we ignore such laziness and whispers? Jazakallah.
Wa jazakum. Ignoring such whispers would be by identifying whether they are from shaitan or from an angel. And definitely, anyone with his sound mind would identify that this is from Satan. Satan is trying to mess up your religion, to mess up your head, so that you would be with him in hellfire on the Day of Judgment. As long as you are a Muslim and you've submitted your will to Allah, it doesn't matter what's the logic behind this or that. Because once you start looking for the logic, you may succeed in finding 99% justification for everything in Sharia. This one little percent is what Satan banks on. He utilizes it to get you out of the fold of Islam. So you say, I found 99% justifications. Now this 1% I failed, this means it's illogical. I'm not gonna accept it. I'm gonna reject it. And now you're rejecting the religion of Allah. So this is not how Muslims roll. We Muslims go with the flow, go with the Quran, go with the Sunnah. Whether we find the justification or not, we believe. Like Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, said, why was he named As-Siddiq, the one who believes? Because when the Prophet ﷺ went on the miraculous night journey from Mecca to Jerusalem, to the seventh heaven, back to Jerusalem, back to Mecca, in few minutes or hours, where the journey from Mecca to Jerusalem took 1 month in a caravan. And he did this in few moments of time. The idol worshippers could not believe it. So they went to Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, trying to shake his iman. And they said, didn't you hear what your friend said? He said, what did he say? They said, he claims that he traveled to Jerusalem and then to the seventh heaven and back to Jerusalem and back to Mecca in few moments. Abu Bakr said, he's telling the truth. The idol worshippers were shocked. What do you mean he's telling the truth? He said, guys, I believe that Allah Azza wa Jal reveals the Quran from the seventh heaven to him. Don't you want me to believe something like that? This is nothing. Allah is capable of doing it. This is true conviction and iman that we all have to embrace.